To replace your car radio, you must first turn your engine off. Get your hands on the needles that will let you remove the original radio. Insert them on both sides of the radio, in the holes provided for this, until they lock into place correctly. Pull on both of the needles at the same time to remove the radio. Take out the antenna cable. To do this, free the fixing stud on the terminal by pressing on the plastic tab and pulling on the cable. To unplug the double connector terminal, press on the small tab and lift the locking bar. This should automatically make the terminal come out. Insert the antenna adapter into the original antenna cable. Do the same with the ISO adapter connector for the power cables and the loudspeakers. Place the new rack provided with new radio, feeding the cables through first. Once the rack has been properly placed into its compartment, lock it in place with a flathead screwdriver and pushing down all the metal tabs. It is important to push all of them down so that the rack is perfectly fixed in place. Connect the new radio. The keyed connections will help ensure that you don't make a mistake when assembling the black and orange connectors. Finish with the antenna wire. Get all the cables in by pushing downwards as much as possible. Slide the radio into position without forcing it against its housing. Turn on the ignition to check that the radio is working correctly before fully fixing it in place. Operation completed.